Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly, we have to open camera, tap on the gear icon, find here an touch and hold shutter icon, and select burst shot. And now to take the series of photos, just like hold down shutter button, and as you can see it will take, like, for example, 15 different shots. Here you can view all of these shots. As you can see, they're all very pretty. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.